Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Gab from Tech Tips for Business. For today's video, we are going to talk about how to round down numbers in Microsoft Excel. Let's get started. First, we need to determine why do we need to round down certain numbers. Well, in reality, this is because some items are not meant to be represented by decimal numbers. This is why we tend not to overestimate some objects and rather we just tend to round them down instead. Now, we have three numbers over here: 3.5, 11.222, and 77.647. So to actually initiate the round down function, all we have to do is click on an empty cell, press the equal sign, and type round down. Once we're able to type round down, we are asked for two items as per the syntax. First is the number. We just need to select the number or cell beside our chosen cell. In this case is D3. Next, we should indicate the number of digits. If we want to represent the whole number, we just have to insert 0, close the parentheses, and there we go. We just managed to round down 3.5 to 3. Now, we can do the same for the other numbers. Let's say I'd like to round down the 11.222 to, let's say, 10 instead. Well, that's easy. All we have to do is type the round down function again, select the number, and this time, we should be going for -1 digits, which signifies that we are going for the tens place. Once we press enter, we should be getting an answer of 10. Now, let's try rounding down this digit over here to 64, or just 6, I guess. To do so, all we have to do is type the round down function again. Click on the number, then set the number of digits to 1 this time, since we want to retain the 6, and press enter. Now, by actually inputting 1 as our digits, we are able to retain the number 6 in the first decimal place. And there we have it. This is how we round down digits in Microsoft Excel.